A massive truck stop and motel, abandoned in North Florida. Today, its sheer size, a monument to abandoned spaces. This location was once home to a sprawling Texaco station, along with a mom and pop restaurant called BB Ann's Country Kitchen. Today, the sun shines down and a warm breeze blows, but there's nobody home. The entire location abandoned. The parking lot barren, except for this bizarre pile of shattered glass. Nearby, part of the old motel still remains standing. The inside, gutted and left to decay, along with the rest of this truck stop, wasting away in North Florida. Thank you for watching.